Today I will be showing you how to make my favorite white chocolate blondies recipe. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this until it's well combined. In a large bowl, we're going to combine 1/2 cup of butter that is melted and cooled slightly, 3/4 a cup of packed brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of white sugar. We're going to whisk this for about a minute until it is well combined and the sugar starts to dissolve. Add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue whisking until it is pale in color. Next, we will add our dry ingredients in and we will stir this with a spatula, ensuring that it doesn't get overmixed. We want nice chewy blondies. Add in 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips and mix this until it is just combined. I have greased an 8x8 pan. We're going to transfer our cookie dough in there and we're going to spread it as evenly as possible into the pan. But don't worry if it's not perfect. These will level out a lot during the baking process. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and these will bake for 18 to 22 minutes. As soon as they come out of the oven, I like to run a spatula along the edges just to ensure that nothing is going to stick. Then I'm going to let them cool for 1 full hour. Now that they have cooled, we can remove them from the pan. They should come out pretty easily. We can cut these into squares and enjoy. I would appreciate so much if you would like or subscribe. And if you make these, let me know down in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll join me next week.